We're here in the lovely seaside town of Napier, and we're about to do a little bit of bike riding. Let's go see what it's like to have a day of adventure with Backroads in New Zealand. It's all perfect. I'm being honest. It's a perfect day for a ride. We're just on some scenic pathways through the farmland, countryside, waterways, right here in Napier, New Zealand. We're gonna have a little ride and talk here with Katie, a trip leader with Backroads. What's your favorite part about wild New Zealand?
Oh, my favorite part about wild New Zealand is how small it makes you feel. Between the oceans and the coastline, like we're riding alongside right now, and the Southern Alps and the Fjordlands down south, it just makes you feel so small and so insignificant. And I feel like you can't always get that feeling in nature very often. But New Zealand has that tenfold everywhere you go, and it's so amazing.
And we are having a beautiful taste of it today, and we're onward toward lunch after about 20 miles of riding. This is Max, another one of our awesome trip leaders, and tell us what makes it so special when you bring your guests out to a place like Napier in New Zealand, like we did today, the biking and everything.
I think the thing that makes this place so special is getting away from the port town. I think when we get to kind of get out of town into the middle of this fruit basket, if you will, of New Zealand, biking through the vineyards, biking through the apple orchards and the peaches, that's pretty special. And then to come out to a place like this and to get to enjoy some wine makes it all the better.
Yeah, we had a great lunch, had wine at the vineyard, wine tasting, and now we're on to the next adventure.
Woo! Back to the boat.